Letter to friend thanking him for his hospitality during your stay with him. Examination hall, write the name of city, date. Dear Asad, I have reached my place, but the sweet memories of the days passed with you are still fresh in my mind. I can say that the 7 days I passed with you were the most enjoyable in my life. I was free from my school. There was no worry about the homework or examination. I was your guest at Murree, the hill queen of Pakistan. The love and attention you and your family gave made me feel perfectly at home. I still cherish the long walks we had in the most beautiful mountains and jungles. It was excellent to stay and walk among the beautiful hills. I invite you to pay a return visit to me during your next vacation. Please pay my regards to your father and mother. Love to Umar and Nazi. Very sincerely, Mr. Ramiz. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.